habiter,
means to live. In this video, we will learn the verb to live in the present tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. This is a regular verb, and it follows the same pattern that we have learned in earlier lesson. Let's conjugate it in the present tense using this pattern. I live. As the verb starts with H, we use the rule of contraction and replace E with apostrophe.
j'habite,
You live, informal way.
tu habites,
He lives.
il habite,
She lives.
elle habite,
We live, or one lives, informal way.
on habite,
We live, formal way.
nous habitons,
You live, formal way.
vous habitez,
They live, group of males or mixed people.
ils habitent,
They live, group of only females.
elles habitent.
This French verb is used as a fundamental term in expressing one's place of dwelling or residence. It is a versatile verb, essential for articulating the locations where individuals live and carry out their daily lives. Let's use these conjugations and build some sentences. As I mentioned in all my earlier videos, don't worry about the complex sentences, just concentrate on the conjugation right now. Building sentences will be taught in subsequent lessons. I live in Paris.
J'habite à Paris. J'habite à Paris.
You live near the beach.
Tu habites près de la plage. Tu habites près de la plage.
He lives in an old house.
Il habite dans une maison ancienne. Il habite dans une maison ancienne.
She lives in the suburbs.
Elle habite en banlieue. Elle habite en banlieue.
We live with friends.
On habite avec des amis. On habite avec des amis.
We live in a small village.
Nous habitons dans un petit village. Nous habitons dans un petit village.
You live in an apartment.
Vous habitez en appartement. Vous habitez en appartement.
They live in a big house.
Ils habitent dans une grande maison. Ils habitent dans une grande maison.
They live with their family.
Elles habitent avec leur famille. Elles habitent avec leur famille.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time. If you are following my videos regularly, you will be aware of this subject pronoun table. I live.
J'habite.
You live, informal way.
Tu habites.
He lives.
Il habite.
She lives.
Elle habite.
We live, or one lives, in formal way.
On habite.
We live, formal way.
Nous habitons.
You live, formal way.
Vous habitez.
They live, group of males or mixed people.
Ils habitent.
They live, group of only females.
Elles habitent.
In subsequent lessons, we will be learning about building the vocabulary and sentences. Till then, please keep practicing. Goodbye for now, and see you in next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.